Hey guys, today you're going to look back at the problems and solutions that you guys came up with for your global goal. And then today we're going to take it another step further. So you're going to just choose one of the problems that you listed out of the three and one solution that you listed out of your three. Now what we want you to do today is we want you to be even more innovative, and we want you to take your solution a little bit further. We want you to think outside the box, use that brain power, and come up with three different sketches for your one solution. So your innovative solution, what would it look like? Now you can tell here, little disclaimer, I'm not the best drawer. So I ended up coming up with more with like a list for my items. So I wanted to come up with a homeless shelter kit, and that was my solution for one of my problems. So lots of homeless people on the streets, and I wanted to help with that. So I really started off kind of thinking pretty generic with my first solution. You can see I came up more like a blessing bag, but kind of my own little spin, a bag that would have a blanket, toiletries, water, snack that could be dropped off to anyone that is on the streets homeless. My second idea was a little bit harder, and it's innovative, but you can kind of see it might not be really doable, feasible. So I thought that you could drop this off to anybody that needed it. They could kind of create their own shelter kit, and it would have like a box with wood, nails, hammer, etc. to create their own shelter that they would need. It kind of could go anywhere. So then my third idea was really kind of putting my first two ideas together. I thought, well, what about if there was a portable blow-up bed that they could kind of have anywhere, that underneath had a drawer where they could pull out the thing similar to the blessing bag, like a blanket, pillow, water, tent, snack, etc. So you can kind of see I put my two ideas together, and then what I wanted to do was I want to share those ideas with my peers. So I'd want to share all three ideas just really quickly, and then I would want to get some feedback from them. Maybe they think of something that I didn't really think of. Where like here I put my first two ideas kind of together to make my third idea more feasible. Then what I want to do is I want to choose one final idea that I want to end up using. Tomorrow you're going to be writing an elevator speech, and we'll talk to you more about that tomorrow. So today I just put a simple asterisk. You could circle the solution that you like the best. Now your teachers will have blank paper for you if you'd like to use blank paper, and that's a lot easier for me to see visually. If you want to, you're welcome just to kind of sketch some ideas in your power notebook as well in that power section. So today really you're just coming up with three solutions to that one solution you came up with, three ideas, and you're just sketching them out. You can kind of see here I've just kind of wrote out some ideas, and then you're going to share them with each other and then end up choosing one idea. Now it's okay if your idea doesn't look like any of the three you drew and you come up with something totally new out of those three. That's totally fine. You have plenty of room. You could draw it on the back of your blank sheet of paper. We really just want you to be creative here. Again, if you can't come up with three ideas today, sleep on it tonight, come back tomorrow, and you can sketch some ideas out. Good luck. We can't wait to see what you guys come up with.